Hi everyone, so I've just come today to share another journal that I've made, and if you watched yesterday's video you know I've kind of lost my voice, so I'm only going to speak at the beginning of this and then I'm going to go silent. This is ARTYmaze's new kit called Not So Shabby, and this is morphed out of control, this single signature journal. I was actually going to start a bee journal today, and Andrea had sent me this kit and I thought, no, I'm going to play with this instead. So it's a beautiful kit. I will link it below. Please go over and have a look. This journal will actually be for sale in my shop and that will be linked below. The journal measures 8 1/4 by 5 1/4, one signature, 88 pages front and back. The cardstock has been sewn onto coffee dyed cardstock, so it's double the thickness, and as you can see there is some lace trims on some of the pages, and I've done my topper for the cover. So I'm going to go silent now and just flip through. So there we have it. Like I said, this will be listed in my shop. The link to this kit will be listed below as well. If you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye.